understanding the phrase, silent as a panther. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms and expressions. Specifically, we'll unravel the meaning behind the phrase, silent as a panther. This expression paints a vivid picture with just a few words, and understanding it can add depth to your English communication skills. Let's get started. The phrase, silent as a panther, is used to describe someone or something that is extremely quiet or moves without making any noise. Panthers, which are large wild cats known for their stealth and grace, move through the jungle with remarkable silence, especially when stalking their prey. This expression borrows from the panther's ability to move silently, using it as a metaphor for quietness or stealth in various contexts. While the exact origin of silent as a panther is not clear, it's rooted in the long-standing human fascination with the natural world, particularly the characteristics of animals. Over centuries, various cultures have attributed specific qualities to animals in their folklore and stories. The panther, with its sleek movement and ability to approach unnoticed, became a symbol for silence and stealth. This phrase is a part of that rich tradition, drawing a vivid comparison that people can easily visualize and understand. Using silent as a panther in conversation or writing can add a layer of vivid imagery to your communication. It's particularly effective in descriptions where you want to emphasize the quietness or stealthiness of an action or person. For example, describing someone who moved quietly. He entered the room silent as a panther. Not a sound was heard. Praising a skillful move in sports or games. She approached the goal silent as a panther, catching the defense completely off guard. When you use this phrase, you're not just saying something is quiet. You're invoking the elegance and mystery associated with the panther. English is rich with idiomatic expressions that draw from the natural world. Similar to silent as a panther, you might encounter phrases like sly as a fox, which speaks to cunning, or strong as an ox, highlighting strength. These expressions are part of a larger family of idioms that use animal characteristics to describe human qualities or actions vividly. We hope this exploration of the phrase, silent as a panther, has added another colorful idiom to your English vocabulary. Idioms like this enrich our language, providing a bridge to the natural world and its many wonders. Next time you hear or use this phrase, you'll know exactly what it conveys and the stealthy elegance it represents. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language in our future videos.